Ladies and gentlemen, meet the rebirth of a legend, the 2026 Ford Capri. A stunning fusion of heritage and innovation, where the timeless soul of the classic Capri meets the power, precision, and design language of Ford's modern performance era. Let's take a closer look. Right from the front, the 2026 Ford Capri commands attention. The sculpted hood with dual heat vents pays homage to classic muscle heritage, while the modern LED matrix headlights redefine sharpness. Notice the red accents outlining the daytime running lights, a subtle yet aggressive touch that connects the Capri's performance DNA with Ford's latest design philosophy. The signature Ford oval proudly sits at the center of a blacked-out grille, giving a bold contrast to the car's champagne gold bodywork. Below, the aerodynamic front bumper integrates functional air intakes and a splitter lined with a red accent, an unmistakable sign that this Capri isn't just about looks, it's built for performance. From the side, the 2026 Capri maintains the sleek proportions that made its ancestor iconic. The long hood, sloping roofline, and short rear deck scream classic coupe elegance. Yet everything here has been modernized. The flush door handles, black carbon side skirts, and 21-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with red brake calipers blend vintage form with futuristic function. That subtle red line running across the body adds a sporty visual flow, perfectly matching the gloss black lower panels. This is the kind of detail that shows Ford didn't just design a car, they sculpted a tribute. At the rear, the Capri's character really shines. The bold lettering across the trunk, CAPRI, sits just above the classic Ford badge, bridging generations of design. Quad exhaust tips emphasize its performance intent, while the LED taillight bar stretches across the entire width, echoing modern Ford models like the Mustang Mach-E. The carbon diffuser and slim spoiler complete the aggressive stance, making this coupe look ready to pounce even when standing still. Step inside, and the 2026 Capri welcomes you with a perfect balance of nostalgia and modern luxury. The two-tone red and cream leather gives a bold, premium feel, while the red ambient lighting sets a dramatic mood for night drives. The digital cockpit features a fully customizable 12-inch driver display and a large infotainment screen powered by Ford's Sync 5 system. And that flat-bottom steering wheel, proudly wearing the Capri emblem, reminds you that this isn't just a cruiser, it's a driver's car. Under the hood, Ford offers two powertrains for the 2026 Capri. The first, a 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged inline-4, delivering around 330 horsepower through a 10-speed automatic transmission. And for enthusiasts, there's the Capri GT variant, powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid, pushing out over 480 horsepower with instant torque from its electric assist system. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, with an optional all-wheel drive setup for those seeking maximum grip and control. The 2026 Ford Capri is expected to launch in late 2025, with prices starting around $48,000 for the base model
and climbing to $65,000 for the GT Performance Edition. It's more than just a return, it's a reinvention. The Capri is back, reborn for a new generation that still believes driving should be thrilling, emotional, and beautifully designed. So, what do you think? Has Ford nailed the perfect blend of classic and contemporary?